personally, I loved the camp. It was things that you never get to see before, that you never expect to see. Like, those are kind of experiences in your life that you just need in order to grow. And after this camp, I can say I've definitely learned a lot just about like flying in general, even getting the opportunity to fly. Most people don't ever get to do that. Getting the opportunity, that was amazing. Absolutely just crazy. It's a surreal experience. Once you experience it, you have to tell someone. It's kind of like a secret you can't hold in. You got to tell someone. So I love this camp. I'm so thankful to Mr. Crowe and all the teachers here. And thank you for the interviews. I'm very thankful. My name is Maverick Rory. I attend Divine Child High School, and I'm from North Carolina.
What grade?
Going into my 11th grade year.
Hello, I'm Naomi Hill. I'm from DC, and I'm going to be a freshman at Colgan High School. When people first think of aviation camp, they will think of planes or airport or flying or maybe the ground control or traffic control. But there is so much more to aviation, and we learned that part of the FAA was building the aircraft, talking to the people on the ground, fixing light bulbs, interviewing, part of management. There's so many things to aviation more than just getting on a plane or your flight stewardess. And through that camp, we learned so many occupations that you could do. And I'm really happy that I learned more about drones and more about management and more about interviewing and things that you couldn't do if you just sat at home for a week in summer and watched TV. So I'm thankful to everyone who helped this camp get up and running and who helped teach this campus.
Okay, my name is Marshal. I'll be a senior at Washington Technical Middle College. And when I first came to this camp, I wasn't really planning on doing any job that has to do anything with the aviation. I didn't even know much about it. I just came because I thought it would be interesting. After being here, I have decided that I do want to have a career or even multiple careers in the FAA. And that just shows how interesting and informative that it was. And I am very thankful to everyone here that helped out and was able to give all of us this opportunity. And just like she said, there's so many careers and things that you can do. And so I would definitely want to explore and start working on that now while I start applying for colleges and stuff.
Okay, hi, my name is Taylor Johnson. I'm from Canton, Michigan, and I will be a senior at Plymouth High School. So before the camp started this week, I really didn't have any interest in aviation, but I did sign up because you at least want to explore multiple different fields because you have to find something that you love because you're going to be doing it for a really long time. So I signed up, and I have to say that was one of the best decisions I've ever made. I didn't know anything about aviation. Like Naomi was saying, all I thought about aviation was airport pilots, nothing that goes on behind the scenes or anything at all. But learning about all of the different occupations and learning about the FAA period, it was just a really great experience. And having the opportunity to take control of a plane while flying, seeing the insides of different planes, seeing what goes on behind the scenes. One of my favorite parts was going in the control tower and going on the catwalk and watching planes take off. It was just a really great experience, and I'm actually really sad that it's ending today. But yeah, this camp has meant like so much to me, and now at the end of the week, I am definitely considering like a job in aviation. So thank you to the camp directors and everybody who put this all together, made all this happen. Thank you for the opportunities and experiences, made new friends. So yeah, this was definitely a highlight of my life so far.